The Crypto's Rich Boy. Today we're going to be talking about PENG. But before we get started, guys, go ahead and like this video, subscribe to the channel, let me know what you guys think in the comment section down below, and share it with your friends. Now, Solana is popping, meme coins are popping. They have been. I think they will continue their trend, and I think we have lots and lots of gains. Now, here's the thing though, a lot of these coins, right, they've already pumped a lot. You have Dog with Hat that's pumped a lot. You have things like Bunk that's already pumped a lot. Now, Ping is at a $25.43 million market cap. So that's kind of more what I'm looking for, right? I'm looking for more of these plays where it is on these markets, or that you could get it on these major exchanges like Mexi, Gate.io, BitGet, things of these, and Poloniex, Femex. So this is already on some major exchanges, and I think as the time goes on, it will be listed on more and more exchanges. A little disclaimer, I am invested currently in Ping. It's kind of one of my meme coin plays, Solana plays, that under that $100 million market cap, that I feel like can pretty can go up, right? Um, so we have see, I don't necessarily agree with this. So it says Crypto Banner and Altcoin Daily talking about this massive red flag. Not necessarily, right? I mean, if this was like a 1 million or $1 billion market cap, in my opinion, you would, you could probably say that, once it comes to like YouTubers, things tend to die down. But guys, we are already significantly lower than all-time highs. All-time highs was $2 and some change, and we're at just over a quarter. So like they said, we do have, I don't know why it's green. There we go. So they Altcoin Daily with 1.45 million subscribers did talk about Ping or Penguin, and they are clearly, Altcoin Daily is clearly um showing that it is on fire. So, with that many eyes on it, Altcoin Daily, Crypto Banter, I definitely think with it on Mexi, with it on Gate.io, I definitely think it is going to have some room. Maybe it won't get back to $1 like today or tomorrow, but it is having a nice rounded bottom. Now, people say you cannot do this with meme coins, you can't chart them. But, guys, you know what? You kind of can. I mean, anything that has a chart, you can technically chart. So let's go ahead and see what we got going on. So right now we have, let's see, we are struggling to kind of get past back in that 30 cent range. If we can go ahead and break that resistance and flip that back into support at that 30 cent range, we are going to be off to the races. And it already looks like right now we are doing making a green candle on the 4-hour chart. I think this is bottoming out, guys. I really do. I think it's bottoming out, and I think that we are bound to see some type of upward action. I mean, you don't really we're right now the main market has kind of slowed down just a little bit. Things are trading sideways. I think they're gonna kind of continue to trade sideways. I think Bitcoin hit that bottom at 61,000 a couple weeks ago. It retested. It hit a higher low at 64,000, and I think we're gonna go back up. Maybe hit a higher low at like maybe we might go back up at the 70s, come back down to like the 67, 68. And then I think that the halving's going to happen, which is happening in like 2.5 weeks. And a couple weeks are going to go by, and we're going to have altcoin summer. We're going to have these plays starting to run again. If you think about it, guys, it's 2 months, right? We have April, we have May. Let's get through these 2 months. Now is the time to get these plays in order. Now is the time to really sit there and say, okay, if I had to held for 1 year. Am I going to go in a play kind of like where it's already done this? Or am I gonna go and find? It was funny. I had a buddy, and he a couple years ago, and he was like, they call it digging in the trash. So you dig in the trash, you find these gems, and these gems, you go like, if you dig in the trash, you find a piece of gold, you find a gold coin, a gold earrings, whatever the case is. You go pawn it, sell it, you make a couple $100. So that's kind of, hopefully you'll make more on this than that, but I definitely think this has a leg up whether it is coming. Let's see. All right, so we had two different trends that I wanted to look at. So we had this trend, which has broke, right? So we had that trend that has broke, and so now we are kind of we can kind of look at a different trend. So if you take this, and so we had this trend that has broke. So guys, so this trend broke, this trend broke. So long story short, my opinion, we are at a bottom, and I don't really think we have much lower to go. I mean, look at this. So right now we are looking at, let's see what we got. All right, so we got that. So let's see. Let's have a little bit of hopium here. So technically, we are trading in this channel. We kind of came back at this point, kind of tested it. This was the support. It kind of broke it. It came resistance. But I don't know. I mean, we had sell, 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 sell. We had 4 sells in a row, major sells. So okay, so let's take a look at this. We had 1, 2, 3 green. So we had some buys, right? And so these two kind of make up for maybe this bigger one. These two kind of make up for some of this as well. So there's not much more selling that can go on, and that's what a smart trader looks for. They sell, they look for, it has it has the marketing. It has people with over 1 million subscribers pushing it. Um, it has those what's it called? Those places where you could buy it, those exchanges where you could buy it. So now let's take a look at one more thing. So this is something I have kind of come in conclusion that really needs to kind of just be done, right? As sad as it is, you're having more and more projects. So I think it's called the Soul Scanner. I want to say it's the Soul Scanner. Soul contract. Let's see. Hold on. Solana. There's a Solana scanner. Is it this one? It might be this, solscan.io. It might be this one. Let's see. Let's see what we got. So it normally should bring up, and then you should be able to take the contract, put it in here, and no, I don't think that was it. It's like Soul Contract Scanner. I found it. Here we go. Soul Sniffer. That's what it is. I was like, I knew that there was something. All right. I was like, Soul Scanner, Soul Sniffer. Let's see what's going on here. So let me go ahead. Uh-oh. My computer, I think it's loading it. So let's see what we got going on. Oh, maybe I have to do this. There we go. Now it's going to let me. All right. So, ping. All right. So, ping looks like it has a 90 out of 100. And it looks like there are no high risk, there are no moderate risk, there's one low risk. So, I mean, this is what you're really looking for. You're looking at, is it mintable? So I noticed Mexi is putting a lot of coins that are mintable, and they are sure the heck minting. You go from 1 billion tokens to a quadrillion tokens. So this is not that. There's no freeze warning. There's no transfer warning. There's no balance. I mean, it's balanced in the top 10 and 20 wallets, which is good. There's and this is some of the things that I'm pretty sure Altcoin Daily and Crypto Banner they do before they put it on their channel that has millions of subscribers. So there's a sufficient liquidity. They have active interaction, and so this checks off all of the things that it needs to check off. So there's one low risk, and I think I looked at it. I think it was just let me see. One low risk, newly deployed contracts. So it's just because it's new. So it's only getting a 90 out of 100 because it's new. So the contract, it looks like it's renounced, all that good stuff. There's no scams linked to the owner's wallet. So it's safe. You have people pushing it. Looks like it's at the bottom. This has 100 million or 1 billion supply, and the total market cap is 25.43 million. And guys, it is trading at 26 cents, which is up, right? It's just if you look at the 7-day, it was down here trading at 21 cents. So if you got in a couple days ago, you're already up about 5 cents, which is a little like what 15, 16, 17%, something like that. So 16 days to the halving. I kind of picked some up. I think this is a smart play. Let me know what you guys think in the comment section down below. And real quick, let's just go and see 35.9 thousand followers. So it has some decent followings, and they are pushing out some pretty cool memes. And look at this guy, Aquaman. So the Aqua Penguin. Look at that. The Aqua Penguin is here, and it is going to be the next big thing. So another cool thing that I've seen is they have this really cool generator. And let me see, where is it? Tokenomics. It's somewhere. Here we go. So you can go to laboratory, and you can generate random, really cool PENG pictures, right? You can download them. If you connect your wallet, you can create your own. So that's pretty sweet. I think it's for pretty cheap. Look at that one looks pretty cool. And as far as I know, I think you can use these as like a PFP. So that's pretty sweet. So you can kind of support your project. So never underestimate the ping. So guys, I really think that they're right. Bullish days I think are gonna come, and now is the time. So it looks like yesterday they had a community space, which was pretty good, which, could be the reason why things are kind of moving up just a little bit. So I think bullish times ahead. I think we reached the bottom, guys. Just my opinion. Let me know what you guys think in the comment section down below. Maybe, I grabbed the bag, and it's kind of my bag where I kind of go from project to project, but you know what? I might just have to hold, a bag through the bull run, especially if this goes up past 30, 35, 40 cent. Who knows? I may be a really good long-term play. So, like this video, subscribe to the channel. Let me know what you guys think in the comment section down below. Until next time, guys.